Hey guys, today we're eating pepperoni and hot dog and rice with my Q1 and my family. I'm gonna make some hot dog burrito pepperoni. First, let's put some rice. Oops!
Oops. Oops.
Wait, what?
Daming alam.
Then we will put some hot dog.
Daming alam yun.
There we go.
There we go. May mga ganun pa siya na
Pepperoni, rice, hot dog. Okay.
word. Nakikinig sa English, no? Ay, nakakalig.
Yummy. Oh, lekker. That kind of burrito is so yummy.
Then, after your meal, you will eat what? This one? What this one? You can introduce them?
What's there here?
Sorry. What's this one?
Avocado with milk and sugar. What? It's a brown sugar.
Yes, good for health.
That's the powder milk.
That is not.
Okay lang.
Sugar is not good. Sugar is not good.
No, this one brown sugar is good. This one, the white sugar is not good. But this one
White
okay.
sugar not good.
No,
Brown
no,
sugar
gulay.
okay.
Meron pa. Bakit? Ha?
Tuyo eh.
Puro tuyo. Nandun no. Hindi ta ha. Magkuha ka hap.
Right.
Kaon, Ken.
Ay, na-vlog mo di ay.
Ang gabalag siya. Pilingon man eh. Kung sila mo kain, na mag-vlog.
Diba?
Ah!
Ay! Suplada mo ka! Eh!
Touch!
You're vlogging oh! Ay! Vlog Suplada mo.
I'm bloated! Stop touching my pitoy!
Okay. Balag. Kaya, eat na.
Yummy.
Ang laging.
There we go. Hot dog with sausage, with rice and pepperoni. Recipe complete. I made that recipe again.
Recipe. Nagkuhan siya nag-recipe.